Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name's Richard and today we're on the Triumph T120 Bonneville. This one's about 5 or 6 months old now. Got about 4,500 miles, maybe a bit more. Been over to Austria on her earlier this year. It's autumn 2024. It's about 8 degrees today, which is why I've got the Kai's jacket on to keep me warm. What we're talking about today is a new screen for this particular Bonneville. I had a previous screen on when I went over to Austria, but I've gone and got another screen. This was actually purchased for the SCRAMBLER 400X, which I have. Unfortunately, and like a lot of stuff on eBay when you order it, it doesn't fit that bike, but it does fit this bike. So I needed a new screen, so I put it on here. It does need a bit of trimming to make sure it fits properly, but I'm going to get that done in the next couple of days. The beauty about this is, from what I've tested it thus far, and it's just for information for you, is it brings up funneled air, not turbulent air. There's no turbulent air, it's funneled air, and it brings it up to about here on the chin bar of the helmet. By putting this deflector on, I've raised that to about my head there, and if I adjust it a bit more, I'm sure I can get it just over the helmet. So I just thought I'd share this with you. This costs £78 on eBay. It really is good. It's a Puig, P-U-I-G. I presume that's how you spell it. Puig, say it, Puig. But it's really good. It's much better than I thought it would be. These deflectors here take the air away from your hands as well, so that's a really good thing. I've tested it out up to sort of 70-80 mile an hour, and it's very stable. It's only held on by the bolts of the headlamp, which means when I get to the Alps and stay in a hotel for 5 days, I can quickly take this off, which I do like to do. I do like the naked look on the bike and the naked feel of the bike when I get somewhere. So I like to be able to quickly take something off, the screen off, and then enjoy the riding locally while staying at a hotel for 4 nights, 3 nights or whatever, and then quickly put it back on for the journey back through Europe, along the motorways and all that good stuff. So let's go for a ride and let's see what it's like.
Oh, right. Let's see what this screen's like. Now, to tell you the truth, I have been riding with it and it's great. But if you want to have a look and see what it's like, you can see the gap between the top of the headlight and the start of the screen is a bit wide. And like I said, I need to just Dremel out a bit of metal to just lower it down to the headlight a bit more, and that's no hard job. So as I say, you know, if you're thinking about a cheap upgrade for a screen, it's not a bad alternative. £78 for a Puig screen, and it fits neatly, and you can easily take it off when you don't want it on, which is important to me. I'm just showing you this because when I get back I'll be taking the screen off, because over the next days I'll just be riding around the local town. I won't need a screen to protect me while I'm on the motorways or anything like that. But yeah, it's absolutely great. Oh, there's the Aiuchi C6 Pro. In the description, go and have a look at the video that I've done for the C6 Pro. £130. It's a great Christmas present. Yeah, it is a great Christmas present. If your kids are wondering what to buy you for Christmas, as I say, it connects to your mobile phone. It's got navigation on it, music on it into your headphones in the helmet, be it that Ocado or whatever you're using. And most importantly, it's got tyre pressure and monitoring system in it. So that's great, because I've always said, half of the time most of the people complain that the bikes don't handle very well. Well, there's usually good reason for that, and it's usually the tyres. So now you're able to monitor the tyres, and it gives you a warning that your tyres are going down. Yeah? So it comes up on the screen and tells you that you've got a problem. Look in the description, there's a link there to go and buy one. Don't forget to use my Richard Bamforth code to get 22% off, I believe, bringing the price down to approximately £130, maybe £131, delivered to your door. Very easy to fit. Like I say, you've got the camera front and rear, and it's constantly recording on a loop. Anyway, enough marketing. But yeah, this screen, if you're thinking about it for your T120 or your T100, I think this will fit on the T100 as well. You might want to risk it for a biscuit, go and order one and stick it on your bike. It's very easy to fit with the 2 headlamp bolts. I just thought I'd show you this. Screens are very, very, very expensive. Overly expensive. But for £78, I thought it was worth it for a risk. And it was actually for the 400X Scrambler. But it didn't fit on that, even though it said on eBay that it was for the 400X. It just didn't fit. And the guys who sold it on eBay were great. They were great. They were happy to take it back. But I thought, hang on, it might fit on the T120. And it does. It's not perfect, but it fits well. And if you need to keep the wind off you as the winter's coming up, or if you're flying up and down the motorways, maybe you need a screen. And this is a good screen. It's the plastic on it is beautiful. It's not cheap plastic. Anyway, I'll leave you be. Hope this meant something to you. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And thanks to all those that are currently subscribed. Ride safely. Be kind to everyone. And eat healthily. No food after 7 p.m. Let your pancreas relax for the evening. I'll see you very soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you very soon.